Good morning.
Huh?
Good morning,
Why
ma'am.
no energy?
Good morning.
Children? Yes, good morning. Yeah. How many? Only 17 are there. What happened? Yeah. Only 17 students are there. 26 is the strength, isn't it? 26 is the strength. Is it because Saturday? Huh?
Yes, I think so, ma'am.
Saturday is
I
our
think
working day. Okay.
Yes.
Saturday, max two periods each you have. Saturday.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, why second Saturday we have class?
Every Saturday is working. Okay, we need those periods for completing the portion. Don't want to work? You don't want to hear the class or see your friends on Saturdays? Every day only 4 periods you have, no? Isn't it? Remaining you are free. See, Aaron Somi is standing near water. Is it photo? Hello?
Yes,
Aaron? Come out. Come out of the photo.
Profile
Let
only,
me see
ma'am.
your face. Smiling face. I don't want any crying face in maths class. All should participate. Ahil Mohammed, where you went? I can see the window and the curtain properly. Okay, sit properly.
Yes,
Safwan. I have to knock and call at each one. Huh? Safwan. Come on.
Yes,
Come on.
ma'am.
Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Come out. Come out.
Yes, ma'am.
You are the person answering in the class, no?
Ma'am, I think you called Rehan.
No. Safwan. Okay. Adi. Who is Adi? Now, when I am asking you, only you are switching on the video. What is the reason? There is no rain now. Very pleasant atmosphere you have.
No, ma'am, I was taking the
Ashinanda,
book.
you became a cat? See, today fine morning. She became a cat. Your name is there and a cat is there. Okay, black cat. Come out. Okay, children. So, previous class we were discussing about triangles, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Triangles,
Yes,
right?
Median of triangle.
Yes. Alan Siju, are you watching anything else there?
No,
You should
ma'am.
look at my face. Okay. Huh? How do you feel this morning? Good or bad?
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Good. If you feel good, it is good.
Ma'am, but some bad, ma'am.
If it is bad, make it good. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, the electricity has gone.
Yes, electricity has gone. Okay. It will come.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
It is gone, will come
Good
back.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good
Sorry,
afternoon.
evening.
Today. Good morning, Naim.
Uh,
Where were you?
Ma'am,
Here. Yes.
I
Okay.
tried to
Naim
say.
have arrived late. Naim.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am, I
he's
was
saying
Okay.
electricity.
Switch on the video. I want to see your smiling face. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, children. So we were discussing about triangles, right? Triangles.
Yes, ma'am.
Different types of triangles we discussed, and we discussed an important property of a triangle, important topic. What was it? Last day. Fatima, can you tell me what did we discuss? Last topic was median of a triangle. Okay. And did I explain what is an altitude of a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
You will explain more about
Okay. I just told what is an altitude and I told I'll explain once more. Isn't it? Okay, median we completed, right? Abel Jofi, can you tell me what is a median? What is a median? Yeah. I can't hear you. Some audio problem is there. I cannot hear you. Okay, when I'll call somebody else, okay? Abel, I cannot hear. I don't know.
Ma'am.
Okay. It is echoing. Let me check. Okay. Priyadatta, can you answer? What is a median?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What is the median?
Median is a line segment drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex.
Very good. Line segment joining the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of the vertex, isn't it? Okay. And so that we can say, as it is joining the midpoint, it can divide the opposite side into two equal parts, isn't it? So we can say median divides the opposite side of a vertex into of a triangle. Median of a triangle will divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Okay, how many medians are there, Alicia?
3 medians.
Three medians for a triangle. And what is the concluding point or concurrent point called? Pranav?
Centroid.
Centroid. Very good. Centroid. Okay, good. Then we learned about altitudes, no? Altitude of a triangle. Yes, Badi, can you tell me what is an altitude of a triangle? Can you tell me? Altitude. What is the difference between median and altitude?
Ma'am, the
Safwan?
perpendicular
listening, no?
segment
Last
from a
class.
vertex of a triangle to the opposite side.
Who said?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, 9. Yes.
Ma'am, the perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite
Okay.
side.
Perpendicular segment from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is known as the altitude.
Altitude of
why
triangle.
say altitudes are at 90 degrees to the opposite side.
Opposite side.
Badi, can you repeat? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you remember. Yes, yes.
The
What is an altitude?
perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle, its opposite side is called
To its opposite
an
side.
altitude of the
Yes,
triangle.
yes. What is an altitude? It's called an altitude. Okay. So what is an altitude? A perpendicular line from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of a is known as the altitude, isn't it? Okay. So an altitude will be at 90 degrees to the opposite side. Okay, then tell me, Irene, can you tell me how many altitudes are there for the triangle?
Ma'am, 3.
3 altitudes are there. And what do we call the meeting point of the altitudes or concurrent point of the altitudes? Safwan, do you remember? Concurrent point of the altitudes. Meeting point of all the altitudes are known as? Are known as? Rihan, what happened? Rihan is
Centroid.
No, that is median. Okay, Rihan, come out, tell me. What do you call the meeting point of all the altitudes of a triangle? What is it?
Median of triangle.
No, median
Line
said now. Centroid, isn't it? What do you call the concurrent point of all the altitudes?
Line segment.
Centroid.
Line segment. Line segment is a line segment, no? Line segment cannot be. What is the meeting point of all the altitudes?
Altitude.
Alan Siju, can you tell me? Do you remember? You have to, in Malayalam we say, to remember. What is the Malayalam of remember? That is the starting of this. That is the beginning of this word. In Malayalam we say, no, remember. Remember means in Malayalam, what is it? Same thing is starting with that word. What is that? Yes, Fatima?
Ma'am, orthocenter.
Orthocenter, isn't it? It is called orthocenter. Ortho.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, orthocenter.
Ma'am, orkoga that, ma'am.
That is it. Orthocenter. Orthocenter. Okay. Altitudes meet together at a point that is known as orthocenter of the triangle. Okay. Now that is over. And I told you that small sentence was written below that altitudes can never always be inside. It can be outside the triangle also. Isn't it? It can be outside the triangle also. So that is what we have to explain today. Medians and altitude of a triangle. An altitude of a triangle is a perpendicular segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Altitude. Yeah. Now, or the line containing the opposite side, and it is always what? It is always perpendicular to the opposite side, and the meeting point is known as the orthocenter. Isn't it? This is known as the orthocenter, meeting point of all the altitudes. Okay, now last sentence. This is what I told, I'll explain. An altitude of a triangle can be a side of the triangle, or may lie outside the triangle. What is that sentence? Alan, listen here. If you listen, you need not study at all. Maths is such a subject. If you listen, no definitions will be asked for the exam. Only thing is, we want to know whether you have understood the topic and whether you apply it. So no definitions you have to by heart. You have to understand and apply the knowledge. So you should know when you speak out what is what, it should come in exact words or exact language, exact words you have to use. So that is why I'm asking you to listen to the sentences. Clear? If you don't use the apt word, it will go wrong. Especially in mathematics and science, you have to use the exact word for representing the topics. Okay, so an altitude of a triangle can be a side of the triangle. See the listen, the meaning is this. Always we have drawn 3 altitudes, no? See this figure? We have drawn 3 altitudes. And all the 3 altitudes are falling inside the triangle, But it is said that it is not always like that. Altitudes can fall outside the triangle also, and it can be one side of the triangle itself. Okay, so let us check what it is. Listen, see this altitude of an acute angled triangle. I have shown altitude of an acute angled triangle. Is it recording, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, it is.
Yes. Okay, altitude of an acute angled triangle. All the altitudes are falling inside, no? So from all the 3 vertices, we are drawing the altitude in this. So it is all falling inside. Here it is inside, here it is inside, here it is inside. Inside the triangle for an acute angled triangle. But what will be the altitude of this triangle? You tell me. Not this one. These are all acute angled triangle. Okay, we will stop this. I will draw. Look at the board. I'm going to draw one type of triangle, and you should tell me what will be the altitude of that triangle. See this? What kind of triangle it is, children?
I'm obtuse angle.
Check.
Right angle.
Shout out the answers.
Right
You have to
angle.
see.
Right
Huh?
angle. Right angle. Right angle.
See the angle here. What
The
is the
right
angle
angle.
here? It is a right triangle, isn't it?
Yes,
It is a right angled triangle. Where is the right angled triangle? It is here. It is A. This is B, and this is C. Where it is right angled? Here, isn't it? So it is right angled here, and we can say it is a right angled triangle. And you know what is an altitude? Altitudes are lines which are perpendicular to the opposite side, isn't it, from a vertex. So if I am drawing a vertex from A, listen to me carefully, children. If I am drawing a vertex from A, okay, I am going to draw a vertex from A, an altitude from vertex A. So I will keep the scale straight at 90 degree to draw an altitude. Okay, I'm going to keep this at 90 degree and check where I can draw an altitude. Okay, So I will check here from which vertex I have to draw from A. Okay, vertex A, I have to draw an altitude. Where I will do, here I cannot, this is not the vertex. This is the vertex, no? This is vertex A. And if I am drawing an altitude, where it will be?
Ma'am, the angle of C is the altitude, ma'am.
AC itself is the altitude, isn't it? AC,
Yes, ma'am.
side AC itself is the altitude, correct?
Altitude. Yes, ma'am.
So that is why it is told, always the altitude may not be inside the triangle. It can be a side of the triangle also. A side of the triangle also. Okay, one side. Then both sides can be altitude. What about this vertex? If I want to draw an altitude from the vertex B, I will take the scale. I am just moving it.
The altitude is BC, ma'am. Line
I will move it 90 degree to the opposite side. Okay, now it is 180 because 190 plus 90. This is a straight line, that's why. If I want to draw from B, okay, I'll take it once more. Now rotate. It will be at 90 degree. Okay, by in this board it is 90 degree, but here also you can see this to this line AC to this line AC, this is at 90 degree, isn't it? From vertex B, if I want to draw, I have to draw 90 degree. Okay, I want to draw 90 degree. See, if I want to draw a straight angle, if I want to draw a straight, this 90 degree, okay. This is 90 degree from B to C. That is also one side of the triangle, isn't it? That is also one side of the triangle. So in a right angled triangle, Alan, are you listening? See, for a right angled triangle, their sides itself are the altitudes. Isn't it? Two sides are the altitudes. This is an altitude to BC. Okay, this is the altitude to BC. AC is the altitude to BC, isn't it? Altitude, AC is the altitude to BC. Look at this. Yeah. AC is the altitude to BC. See, this is the AC itself is the side itself is the altitude. And same way BC also we can draw. This is the BC is the altitude to side AC. So in the in a right angled triangle, the sides are the altitudes of the triangle. Okay, so that point you understood? Altitudes can be the side of a triangle. Now let us see. Then
we can do AB and also
AB we can draw inside. Okay. To side from vertex C. From vertex C, you can draw another altitude that will be inside. Okay, that will be inside. I will draw another altitude. Okay, so just we can put it here, the scale, and we can lift it. We'll make it 90 degree. It comes where? To this portion should come, isn't it? Yeah. So if you are drawing a straight line towards the opposite side, if you draw the straight line, it can be an altitude of the, this can be an altitude of the 90 degree. That is the altitude of to the side AB from vertex C, isn't it? Okay, so these are the three altitudes of the right angled triangle which I have drawn here. So, but two altitudes are actually the sides of the triangle. Okay, so that is the meaning of that word. Altitudes can be both sides of the triangle. Then the next word was It can be, next sentence was, sides of the triangle or can lie outside the triangle. Let us check that also. Outside the triangle. So I will rub this and draw another type of triangle where we can do it only outside. I'll tell you. Look at this. I'm going to draw a triangle. Baseline. Let me take one angle obtuse. Okay. One angle will be obtuse. Yeah, now it is obtuse. See this? This is an obtuse angle triangle, children. And I'm going to join with the third side. I'm going to join. Okay. See, a triangle is formed here. And what kind of triangle it is?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse
Angle triangle.
The triangle, because here it is angle 110 we got, isn't it? So that is an obtuse angle, the triangle. If somebody is asking you, so this may be A, B, this is C, C. Now this is A and this point is B, vertex B. Now somebody is asking you to draw, listen carefully, draw an altitude from the vertex A to the opposite side. What will you do? Opposite side BC. You are asked to draw a perpendicular from A to BC. Perpendicular from vertex A, or not perpendicular, altitude. Perpendicular itself, altitude. Altitude from A to BC. What will you do?
Ma'am, we will draw from
if you draw like this, children, is it 90
No,
degree?
ma'am.
No.
We will draw straight, ma'am, straight.
If you draw like this, it is not 90 degree. If you draw like this also, it will not be 90. You cannot draw like that. This is not 90. If you draw like this also, not 90. When you will get 90, we have to extend this line, no, to outside. Okay. We will extend this line to outside. And then from here, we will take the scale and we will go back and we can draw the 90 degree angle. So we will take the scale and we draw a perpendicular from A. Isn't it? $90. Now we can draw. See, this will be at 90. See, this is the altitude. This will be the altitude to that triangle from A to BC. Is it lying inside the triangle? No. It is lying outside the triangle, isn't it? Outside the triangle. Other two also you have to draw outside the triangle, children. From C. From B, you can draw it inside. From B, you can draw inside the triangle. So understood that sentence? Altitude of a triangle can be inside or by the side. It can be one side of the triangle, and also it can lie outside the triangle. That's it. Okay. So once again, so what all things we studied today? About the altitudes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me what is an altitude of a triangle? Ashinanda?
Altitude of a triangle.
What do you mean by altitude of a triangle, Alisha? Altitude of a triangle?
Altitude of a triangle is a line segment drawn perpendicularly from the vertex to the opposite side.
Yes, perpendicular from the opposite side. Perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side is known as the altitude. Isn't it? Known as an altitude of the triangle, and it can lie outside the triangle also, and it can be a side of the triangle also. Okay. So I hope all of you understood what is a median and what is an altitude. Clear, children? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many altitudes are there?
3, ma'am.
Three altitudes are there. And what do you call the meeting point of altitudes?
Ortho center.
Okay, ortho center. Ortho center. Okay. I think the time is up. Is it? What is the time now?
9:50.
43.
9:43. Okay. Next topic, what we are going to take is the exterior angle of a triangle. What is it? Exterior angle property. We are studying what about triangles, different types of triangles over. What is an altitude of a triangle? What is the median of a triangle? All these things are over. Now our next topic, which we are going to take in the next period is exterior angle theorem. It is very important. Okay, problems will come based on that theorem. More problems you have to do. Okay, so all of you should join the class on time. Clear? Is it there? Your period falls at what time?
140,
Next
ma'am.
period
140.
140. It may not be there sometimes. Next class.
Ma'am, maybe I can only join, ma'am, because the electricity.
It is anyway. Sometimes it won't be. It will be cancelled. Okay. Okay,
Why
children.
is
So
class cancelled after 2 o'clock?
yes, no class after 2 o'clock. Okay.
Why, ma'am?
There is a function over here. Meeting is there for teachers. That's all. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood.
Ma'am, 140 their class.
140 no class. Our class. We have workshop. Okay. So all of you understood today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next our topic is.
Exterior
Next
angle
our
theorem.
topic is
Exterior
exterior
angle
angle
theorem.
of a triangle. What do you
Triangle.
know about what do you know about the three angles? You know only three angles, no? Inside
Yes,
the
ma'am.
triangle. Yeah. What do you know about exterior angle, children?
Ma'am, exterior angle is the angle that's outside of the triangle.
It is the
Angle that's
angle
outside.
outside the triangle, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see. Okay. We will use this figure itself. This figure itself to show what is an exterior angle. Suppose if I am (9:45), I'll take the attendance. Before that, I can just explain what is an exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, I'll use this itself. If I'm extending this angle, I will get an angle here outside the triangle. That is an exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle of the triangle. Now, if I extend this side, then also I will get an angle that is also an exterior angle. Okay.
Ma'am, we can
Then
use
again
this.
on top also if I extend, I can get an angle between, okay, this is a line which I cannot rub. Okay, so I'll use a rough figure and explain. Look, if I am just drawing a triangle like this, any one triangle we can take and draw. Look at this, children. I have drawn a triangle. Now I'll draw the other parts of it. Extend. So if this side I am extending, I will get an angle. This is an exterior angle. If I am extending this side, I will get an angle here. That is another exterior angle. Again, if I extend this side, I will get an angle here. That is also an exterior angle. But this is not an exterior angle. That 180 degree, no, that will not form an exterior angle. Only if you extend the side. So what you can call an exterior angle is an angle we get when you produce a side of a triangle. Isn't it? Side of a triangle. If you extend this side you will get an angle here. That is also an exterior angle. But this is not an exterior angle. Okay. How will you get an exterior angle? By extending the side of a triangle. Okay. Yes, we will meet in the next period.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank
And
you,
next
Trust you
period I
have
have class
understood
now.
well.
ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you,
And
ma'am.
next
Bye,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Max period
topics
also
will be
come.
yes. I'll take
Ma'am,
attendance.
attendance.
Attendance, yes. I'll take
Ma'am,